world has never been louder. Every second, you are bombarded with notifications, opinions, trends, and noise. They call it connection. I call it a cage, while the masses are distracted by the next dopamine hit. A small group of men is quietly disappearing. They are not quitting. They are initializing a protocol that the top 1% have used for centuries. It is called ghost mode. For the next 6 months, you are going to vanish. No announcements, no social media flexing. Just absolute, ruthless focus. By the time they see you again, you will be unrecognizable. This is the official ghost mode protocol for 2026. Step 1. The digital guillotine. You cannot build a kingdom while you are addicted to a slot machine. Your phone is not a tool, it is a vampire. Most men wake up and immediately scroll. They flood their brains with cortisol and cheap dopamine before they even get out of bed. This destroys your ability to focus for the rest of the day. The protocol is simple. 1. Turn off all non-essential notifications. If it is not a direct text from family or business, it does not exist. 2. The first 60 minutes of your day are screen-free. No emails, no news. 3. Delete the apps that drain you. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. If you need them for business, use them on a desktop computer only. Remove the friction of creation. Increase the friction of consumption. Step 2. The 4-hour deep work block. Wealth is not created by working 12 hours of distracted, low-quality, busy work. It is created by 4 hours of intense, flow-state execution. In ghost mode, you have one mission every single day. You pick the highest value task, whether it is coding, writing, or building your business, and you attack it for 4 hours straight. No phone, no music with lyrics, no open tabs. Treat this block like a surgical procedure. If you break focus, you bleed out. If you can stack 180 days of these 4-hour blocks, you will produce more output than most people do in a decade. Step 3. Biological optimization. Your brain is hardware. You cannot run high-performance software on broken hardware. Ghost mode requires you to fix your machine. First, sleep is non-negotiable. 7 to 8 hour, pitch-black room, cool temperature. Second, hydration. Most of your brain fog is just dehydration. Drink water immediately upon waking. Third, physical stress. You must lift heavy things. The gym is not just for muscles, it is for mental armor. When you push your body, you sharpen your mind. Stop eating processed garbage that spikes your insulin and crashes your energy. Eat to fuel the machine, not to entertain your tongue. Step 4. The silence protocol. This is where most people fail. They start ghost mode, and then they tell everyone about it. I'm going monk mode. Watch me grind. Shut up. Validation is the enemy of execution. When you tell people your goals, your brain releases the dopamine as if you already achieved them. This kills your drive. Move in silence. Let them think you are lazy. Let them think you have fallen off. The confusion of your enemies is to your advantage. Work in the shadows and let your results be the only noise you make. The next 6 months will pass anyway. You can spend them scrolling, watching others live the life you want. Or you can hit the switch, go dark, and build something that lasts forever. The choice is yours. Initialize the system. Welcome to WealthWise.